Hello friends, English dictation 100 words per minute. Start Pyara. One of the great contribution of the Swadeshi period was the promotion of science. Meritorious students were sent to Japan, Germany and the USA for technical education. Some of them came back to set up successful business like Calcutta Chemicals, Calcutta Potteries and Bengal Waterproof. The national education movement helped set up colleges and schools, and one of the institutions associated with it metamorphosed into Jadavpur University. A rejuvenated nation took great pride in the achievements of scientists like P.C. Rai and J.C. Bose, with a leading magazine calling Jagdish Chandra's plant response experiment the greatest Swadeshi event of 1906. Pyara. In Bombay, a chemistry professor Tribhuvandas Kalyandas Gajjar set up two small factories to produce a range of chemical products. He was soon joined by B.D. Amin, a rich Baroda landlord. Thus began the journey of Almabic, Western India's first chemical company. The other great visionary was Lakshman Rao Kirloskar, founder of the Kirloskar business empire, who started his career as a teacher of mechanical drawings at Bombay's Victoria Jubilee Technical Institute. A self-taught technical expert, Lakshman Rao began to produce small mechanical implements and set up his independent business by 1910 with support from the ruler of Andhra Pyara. But as business historian Dwijendra Tripathi suggested, the biggest beneficiary of the prevailing Swadeshi sentiment was the Tatas. By 1904 to 5, they were on the verge of realizing Jamshedji's dream of setting up a modern steel factory in India. But Dorabji Tata's efforts to raise money in London were not successfully returning to India. He appealed to his fellow Indians and received an incredible response. In just 3 weeks, the Tata could collect a huge 16.30 lakh pounds. At the height of the Swadeshi movements, as hundreds of ordinary Indian investors queued up to buy Tisco shares, the Tatas conceived this as a truly national project. The first governing board of Tisco had all the luminaries of the Indian business world, representing all major communities. Pyara. In Madras, Firebrand's nationalist leader Vivo Chidambaram Palli launched his Swadeshi steam navigation company from Tuticorin to challenge the British monopolies, but had a short life. The other important venture set up in Madras was the United India Life Assurance. Pyara. In the wake of the Swadeshi spirit, different groups of people across the country came to the same conclusion as that of the Arya Samajist in Punjab, and hot thinkers like Bholanath Chandra advocated in Bengal. Earlier, the central role of finance in creating an indigenous business ecosystem. Stop.